Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tea on an electric stove. Place a kettle on the burner and add fresh cold water measured to your cup count. Turn the burner to medium heat and cover the kettle to speed heating. While water warms, measure 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea per 8 ounces into a teapot or infuser. Keep a timer handy for precise steeping times based on tea type. Maintain a warm and calm pace while learning temperatures and boiling on an electric stove. For green tea, avoid full rolling boil. Aim for just under boiling by watching small bubbles. Black tea benefits from a full boil for robust extraction. Herbal teas often require a long boil to release flavors fully. Adjust heat early and remove the kettle when small bubbles reach the target level. After removing water from heat, pour it over the tea and start a gentle timer for accuracy. Steep black tea about 3 to 5 minutes, green tea nearer 2 to 3 minutes, and herbal blends around 5 to 7 minutes. Taste at the low end and extend steeping if needed to your preference. Once the flavor is right, promptly strain leaves to stop brewing, pour into warmed cups, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.